Hello and welcome to Explain the Charts. Today is May 12th, 2025, and we're doing a deep dive into Apple stock, ticker symbol Apple. We're going to analyze the latest news and then dig into the chart data to help you make informed trading decisions. First, let's look at some of the recent headlines. One of the top stories is that Warren Buffett is stepping down as CEO. This has sparked discussion about whether Berkshire Hathaway will sell its Apple stock. Analysts are also debating whether Apple is a buy, sell, or fairly valued after its recent earnings report. Jim Simon's Renaissance Technologies also has a stake in Apple, so we'll consider their perspective as well. Now, let's transition to the charts and see what the technicals are telling us. We'll start with the one-day chart to get a broader view of the price action. Looking at the daily chart, we can see a pretty significant pullback in early April of 2025, with the price plummeting from the 220 range down towards the 170s. It is currently sitting near 198 as of May 9th, 2025, and we will revisit this chart to see what we can learn. Let's narrow in and look at the candles from March 1st, 2025 to April 15th, 2025. We saw a sharp drop from the 230 area to the 170 area. Perhaps there were trade tariff changes between the US and China that triggered concern. Zooming in further to the one-hour chart, we can see finer-grained price movements. Let's take a look at April 21st and 22nd of 2025. Now let's switch to the 15-minute chart and look at some recent price action, May 7-9th of 2025. We're seeing quite a bit of chop, which can be difficult to trade. Key price levels to watch are around 200.00 and 197.00. If the price breaks above 200, we could see a move towards higher levels. Conversely, a break below 197 could signal further downside. Here's what to watch for. First and foremost, the $200 level will determine whether we retest higher areas. 1. Monitor news related to tariffs and international relations, as that can affect Apple significantly. 2. Apple has its own potential growth drivers like the Apple Car and expanding into healthcare with Apple Watch features. Keep an eye on new releases. 3. A break above $200 is very likely. It has an 80% chance and indicates a potential retest of higher levels like $220. A break below 197 reinforces a short-term bearish outlook. It only has a 20% chance of being broken to the downside, but it is good to be aware of it.